Hello, my name is Fatin, and today I'll show you how to make a green screen in KineMaster. First, open the app and then click New Project. Then choose the video that you want to add a green screen. Choose where you want to add the green screen and then click Media. Then choose the green screen that you want to add. Drag the green screen to the place that you want to add and then cut the duration of the green screen. After that, find the Chroma key button and then click Activate.